myself a coming, county will fade around. I was feeling strong, hung out on the line, told myself a going out in June. What I want, all I want is to write myself a tune. Wrote a song for everyone, wrote a song for truth, wrote a song for everyone, and I couldn't even tell you. Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully another nice, quick, easy one for you for a change. Okay, nothing too difficult about this one. Classic song from Clearwater Revival, of course, and a song called Wrote a Song for Everyone. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the key of G, which is the same key that Clearwater Revival recorded the song in originally. What you heard there was basically the intro, a verse and a chorus, and then basically it just repeats more of the same with different words. Okay, right then, boys and girls, let me show you what I did for the intro. So I'm starting off with this little phrase. Okay, so what I'm doing there, I'm playing the 3rd fret of the bottom E string with my 3rd finger, and I'm fretting the 1st fret of the 2nd string, the B string, 1st finger, and my 2nd finger is fretting the 2nd on the 4th D string. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm hitting the bottom E string on its own, or picking it, alright, and then I'm plucking these two together, 2nd on the 4th and the 1st on the 2nd. I'm using my pick to pick the 4th string, and my finger is plucking the 2nd string, and you pluck those two together and then pull off. Okay, so you got, so hit the bottom E string on its own first, and then those pull-offs. Right, and then I'm going to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, the A string, and I'm hitting the 2nd on the 4th along with the open 4th and the open 3rd, right? Right. Then I'm taking that finger away sore, and I'm hitting the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings open. Right. And I'm going back and hitting that 2nd on the 5th. Right. So 2nd on the 5th along with the 4th and the 3rd open. Then I'm hitting the 4th, 3rd and 2nds open, and then going back and hitting the 2nd on the 5th along with the 4th and the 3rd. Right? So now you've got that sort of effect. Okay? You could hit the last one on its own if you want that 2nd on the 5th. So it's, okay? So it's, okay, got that far? Then we play the open A string along with the D chord. So you hit the open A string on its own and then strum the thinner strings, okay? 4th downwards onwards, or 3 downwards. And immediately you play this. So as soon as you've done that chord, you do that. So you've got the 2nd on the 3rd hammering up to the 4th on the 3rd, and then you play that 3rd fret of the 2nd. So far we've got this slowly. Got that, so slowly. That's quite quickly after the D. Okay, like that. And then we've got, so we just go through that once again very slowly. Okay, then we've got this bit. It's all on a C chord, C, standard C chord. And what you do is you start off with this second finger off, and you strum the chord and hammer that in. And then you play the open third, so it's along with the second string if you like, right? Right? And then you go to this second finger again and play the second on the third string. So you've gone down a string, so you go. And again you play the fourth and the third string together sort of thing, partial chords there. And then open up the third and play the open third. And then the C chord again. Got that? Okay. Okay, and then we go to this, the chunky bit right at the end. So I'll get up to that, do the whole thing so far. Right? Right. Alright, there we go. So that's all we've got, slowly. Right. And then into the end bit, which is like this, two quite all on the bassier strings on the G chord, which you can play it that way or that way, whichever you want to do, right? And then you play emphasise the second on the fifth with the open fourth sort of thing. Just fifth string, fourth string, third string if you like. And then the C chord. And then the D chord, bit of a pause, and then the D chord, so it's like. And then repeat. On that C, when you go to the C, I'm basically playing the fifth string, fourth string, really. There's your intro. It's probably the hardest part of the song. Okay, so slowly the whole thing. And into the song, G, met myself, D, come and see, county welfare, G line. I was feeling C, strung out, G, hung out on the D line. Okay, first two lines, so just repeat that, G, met myself, D, come and C, county welfare, G line. I was feeling C, strung out, G, out on the line. Now, if you don't, this is an optional. You don't have to do this, but it's on the record, and it's. I'm playing it here on the record. I think they play it slightly higher up, but I'm trying to keep it all close together. Okay, so you don't have to move your hand too far away. So what I'm doing there is double plucks. I'm playing the fourth string with my pick and the second string with my finger. And the first one is this. First finger's playing the third fret of the second string, second finger's playing the fourth fret of this fourth string, just those two together. And then I'm playing that shape, both on the fifth fret, fourth string and second string. Okay, I'm using my second and third fingers. And then we go up 2 frets to the 7th fret on the fourth string and the second string again. So it's okay. So far, met myself a coming, County Wilford line. I was feeling strung out, out along the line. And we repeat the G again. Saw myself D, going out, change, E minor, down a war in C, June. So that line is G. Saw myself A, D, going E minor, down a war in C, June. Back to G. All I want, D, all I want is to write myself a tune. Now this is just a little progression on C. Write myself. It's just the C, 5 downwards, then lower the bass note to the second on the 5th, keeping the first finger where it is, and then take it off. Just play the, that's what I do anyway. Okay, like that. Or write myself and then you got a G chord on tune. Okay, so the whole verse. Met myself coming, County Wilford line. I was feeling strung out, hung out on the line. Saw myself going down a war in June. What I want, all I want is to write myself a tune. Right? Now what I do now is to lead up to the chorus, okay? And to just play, right? So it's 3rd on the bottom E, open A string, 5th string, and then the 2nd on the A string, and then into C chord for the song for everyone. This is C to G, C to G, first 2 lines. Wrote a song for everyone, wrote a song for truth. Okay, so coming out of that last line of the first verse, where it goes, what I want, all I want is to write myself a tune. Lead up to the C, C, wrote a song for everyone. C to G, wrote a song for truth. C to G again, wrote a song for everyone, E minor. And then what I do is I count to sort of 3. It's like, wrote a song for everyone too. When I couldn't is C, when I couldn't even talk to. And then we do the chunky intro again. And off into the next verse, okay? And there's another 2 verses and choruses to follow, played exactly the same way, okay? Different words. So there you have it, boys and girls. So we'll just go through the whole thing, okay? Up to that point, okay? So here we go. Alright. Myself coming, County Wilford line. I was feeling strung out, hung out on the line. Saw myself going down a war in June. What I want, all I want is to write myself a tune. Wrote a song for everyone, wrote a song for truth, wrote a song for everyone, when I couldn't even tell you. And there, boys and girls, my take on Wrote a Song for Everyone from Creedence Clearwater Revival. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.